Good morning. My name is Oscar Javier Jimenez Jimenez. Below, I present the reflection and each of its steps. Titled The Importance of Technological Intelligence in Organization. Purpose. The economic phenomenon now as globalization has forced technological innovation to be managed from a transnational perspective, which implies that organization must be able to people and effectively use technological strategies but based on their technological results are the technology activities from the group of organization management tools that main it and that how it is the ability to understand the technological progress of your competitor has accurate impossible to better position your to competitive for competitors incorporate new technologies in product and process. Development. Innovation management has become an important factor in business, mainly in those areas of organization that impermativate the canal economic small and medium sized business and often confused with it come to the innovation must believe that they need to change they went through this business and that the organization is not the best option. To compete in today's market, create a culture of innovation that produces companies with a route of tools, mechanisms, and technologies that allow teams to solve technological challenges. From this perspective, public administrative innovation agencies and Orden Rebel Institute played an important role of providing the information, means, and resources necessary to create, main, and extend a innovation free environment to order friendly environment to order organization. Conclusion. The increasingly short life cycle of product tiger with order factor such as the increasing satisfa- sac- is- sac- satisfaction on technology, the expansion to markets creates the need to structure and monitor the organization climate to amplify development that had an impact, sting that interacting in the and the new to organization technically envisage project does that human resources perform their function in the most efficient way possible and targeted tasks. Thank you for your attention.